Good morning friends and welcome back to a new studio vlog. Today is Friday, April 3rd and I have a busy day making candles today, so I thought it would be fun to film another studio vlog. It's almost 11 in the morning. I prepped the jars already because I think that's a very boring part of candle making. I dropped my son off at school, so we have a full day that we can use to make candles. I'm also starting to prep for a few markets that I have coming up. I have one in April, 2 in May, and then a couple in June. So I'm starting to prep inventory for that. I'm also starting the first summer scents of this year. And then we also are going to pack an online order. So let's start off with making some candles. My wax is already fully melted. And then these are all of the jars that we are going to pour today. I'm going to restock the Crazy Cat Lady mugs. Then I'm going to also restock the striped floral candles from the spring collection, a restock of the Cat Mom candles, and then I'm starting the first scent of my summer collection, which is tan lines, which usually is very popular. Alright, candles are all poured. Now it's time to wait until they set so that I can finish them off. But I forgot to give you guys a little update on the piston funnel that I talked about. I think it was 2 vlogs ago, but I love the new one that I got. So if you're interested in getting one for yourself, get the one that doesn't have the like orange thing at the bottom. These ones are the best. But this is everything that I just bought. And whenever I start working on a new collection, this time it is a summer collection, I always grab all of my samples that I have. I keep them by like season and category. I'm going to sniff them all and see if there is a new scent that I want to add to the range. So that is also something that I want to do whilst I wait on the candles to set. Then I also need to design and print out a few labels. So again, we have our work cut out for ourselves. Alright, I think my nose has had enough scents for today, but I narrowed it down to a couple of these scents. But I am very undecisive when it comes to picking out new scents, so I'm going to take these tonight to my mom and ask her opinion and what she prefers. That way it's not only my preference, I mean it is a selection that I made, but I have someone else's input. It's now 12:30, so I think I'm going to make myself some lunch, and then afterwards I'll get started on the labels, and maybe we'll be able to finish off some candles, who knows? Ignore the vacuum in the background, but a lunch is ready. I made some wraps with salmon and avocado. It also has some mint, mango chutney, a lemon mayo. It is just looking really good. So I'm going to take a quick break, eat this, and then continue on with the work. Let's finish off some candles, shall we? Alright, candles are all finished. I labeled them, put on the toppings, so they are good to go. Only candles that still need some toppings are the Tan Lines candles, but I still need to figure out which toppings I want to add on that. So that's for another day, but it is already 3 o'clock, so I'm going to take Alex, my dog, out for a walk. Then we are going to pack an online order, and then I'm going to put all of this inventory in my inventory cabinet. So we're not done for today just yet. Still a couple of things to do, but most of the work is done. I just got back from my walk, made myself a coffee. I'm going to drink this and then we will continue our work. Let's pack an online order together. This one is for Lisa and she ordered our face wax melter and then also the pistachio, chocolate and lavender wax melts. So let's go ahead and pack this up for her. And this is Lisa's order, all packed and ready to go. Alright, my workday is almost done. I still have to ship out this package right here, but aside from that, I am completely done for today. So I am going to go to the post office now and then head on over to school to pick up Jack. So I am going to end today's vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little studio vlog. I think it was on the shorter side, but we did get a lot done today. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you and I'll see you all in the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.